Well, it's no surprise that 2022 brought a new line of clutches for the Arctic Cat turbo sleds. It did send all of those looking for horsepower gains back to the drawing board in terms of clutch setup. Dalton Industries are a group of hardworking, very clever individuals who pride themselves in building super high-quality clutch tuning components for the performance-minded individual looking to tune and tweak to get the most out of their off-road toys. Doesn't matter if you have an ATV, a side-by-side, or a snowmobile, Dalton has the products you need to make sure that all the power you've built into your engine can get down to the ground through your CVT clutches, and they have been doing this for a very long time. They're a trusted name in the industry, and they stand behind every product that they make. Dalton has a wide variety of clutch tuning parts available for your toys, but today what I'm focused on is the adjustable Flyweights for the all-new Adapt clutches from Arctic Cat. Built for the performance-minded individual, these billet steel Flyweights have more adjustments than the previous version did, designed for the last-gen Arctic Cat clutches, while still allowing you full control over adding or removing your weight without the need to remove the Flyweight from the clutch itself. The Quick Adjust passage gives you total freedom to be able to tune the clutches on the vehicle, which is a huge benefit and it saves you a lot of time. And with that saved time, you can put that into tuning your setup. Installing the weights is done with the supplied T-handle wrench included with your QA3 kit and allows you access to the heel weight opening. Now on the QA3, there's also an independent adjustment for the tip weight on the Flyweight, allowing you the ultimate tuning potential. Having access to the tip weight means that you can now not just adjust overall mass of the Flyweight, but you can adjust where that mass is, no longer just in the heel of the Flyweight. Most of the QA3 models available for the Adapt clutch have a wider top design to the Flyweight, allowing for better grip on the belt as well as increased roller life due to the reduced wear on the roller surface itself. Now, due to there being differences in the Adapt clutches, you might expect that Dalton just took an old Flyweight and made it work on the Adapts, but that's just not the case. This is a totally new design. This all-new QA3 kit is freshly designed, so it fits flawlessly just like the stock weights and requires no shimming, spacers, or extra parts of any kind. Everything you need to put these weights in your sled is included, right down to the T-handle weight installation Allen tool. This is a complete kit. Now, Dalton doesn't claim to be a tuning shop, nor do they give you suggestions for what to run in your sled. Everybody knows that the Arctic Cat turbos have an absolute massive amount of horsepower potential. You can tune them in many different ways, therefore your clutches need to be set up specifically to your performance gains. Dalton is here to build the parts, and you or your shop are there to dial it in. That's the nice part about what Dalton does. It gives you the best ability to fine-tune your clutches to get everything that you've paid for out of the engine you've built. Even if it's just a programmer on your 2022 T-Cat, you can fine-tune the new Adapt clutches to give you the best possible performance the way that you want it. Installing the Adapt is easy, and as I stated earlier, Dalton designed these weights specifically for the Adapt clutch. Now, there's a wide variety of weights that you can install into your new QA3s for the Adapt, and there's also different fasteners to be able to play with the weight and where you place it. Coming in 5 different base weight kits to answer most every tuning situation, you have options of base weight from 57 grams to 73 grams. Each kit can then add up to a total of 9.4 grams of weight per Flyweight, giving you a very broad tuning range, and greater so when you remember the ability to now place mass specifically to allow for tip-heavy or heel-heavy setups depending on you or your tuning shop's desire. Keep in mind the curvature of the Flyweight is identical to the stock weight. If you're looking for a complete clutch setup for your new 2022 Arctic Cat sled with the Adapt clutches, or any sled for that matter, the Dalton website has everything you need, including links to suggested tuners to help you get your sled dialed in. And for specific Dalton parts questions, I've always found a phone call to get me the answers I need and lots of helpful information.